President yawandiise speech ngenda gisomanga bweri. Ensonga nga bazogeddeko ez'ebyennyanja, ez'enguudo, ensonga zaffe eza waliwo chairman yagambye okwa-upgradinga health center 4 to hospital eya wano ekiyunga. No, byonna bye boogedde mbiwandiise era obwedda mulaba ndi busy. Sirina kye siwandiise bakama bange. Nsaba mukkirize olw'obudde ngisome nga bweri. Distinguished leaders, religious leaders, bishops and sheikhs who are here, the first Deputy Prime Minister, the third Deputy Prime Minister and honorable ministers, distinguished leaders, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank the first Deputy Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Rebecca Alitwara Kadaga, for inviting me to come for this function. I'm informed that the Assembly is aimed at deliberating on strengthening peaceful coexistence and harmony for humanity. Previously, we had an experience of religious intolerance in our nation. For example, the beginning of the church in Uganda was faced with resistance from governments of the time. Prayer is a powerful tool. It does not only strengthen us spiritually, but also shapes the moral fabric of our society. As leaders, both in the government and in the church, we carry the responsibility to set a positive example for the people we serve. This prayer week is a timely reminder that development cannot happen in isolation. It requires collaboration between leaders, communities, and institutions. It requires a shared vision for the future where both spiritual and physical needs are met. As we come together in prayer, let us come together in action to fight all vices in our country. This is a gesture of unity that the holy books encourage us to have, and a portrayal of true virtue of spirituality. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad this nation is blessed with God-fearing people, and we must all take on the mantle to serve God and our nation, basing on God's principles of righteousness and justice to all mankind. The church in Uganda must therefore position itself to participate actively in the socio-economic transformation of our society. It is incumbent on you as the leaders at the helm of the church to fully appreciate your role in this process. In 1986, the national resistance movement has been steadfast and focused not only on security and peace, but also on restoring democracy, consolidation of national unity, defending national independence, rebuilding the economy.